show you now how to save your roller. So you do not need to buy another one or use another one. So basically you're going to take your roller and you're going to slide the plastic bag over it. Yeah, it's a little messy, but no need to buy another roller. You use this roller tomorrow to continue rolling the other side. Now you will get some paint, and then just take it and wrap it around that so it's closed and stays closed like that. And that's it. And you just leave it like that overnight. When you do this, you make sure that you're not squeezing the bristles together. Don't crunch them together. All you're trying to do is flatten it out, keep it moist overnight, so tomorrow you can reuse this again. And by doing this method, you have very little cleanup to do. And you get to reuse your existing paintbrush and roller. Like so. I'm just using some blue tape. Make sure this is flat. I'm just going to seal this end up. And blue tape is perfect for this because it just comes right off very easily. So now it's sealed. That will stay nice and moist overnight. Tomorrow you just take that off, go back to work. Not an issue.